rolling the earth over. Don't just do something because others are doing it. Once upon a time, there was a large forest. Various kinds of animals lived there. One day, a rabbit thought about what would happen if the earth were to roll. He started thinking about this continuously. It became a big problem for him to know what to do if the earth suddenly turned over. Thinking like this, the rabbit sat down to rest at the foot of a big palm tree. The rabbit fell asleep due to exhaustion. The rabbit, who was in deep sleep, woke up once due to a loud noise. Waking up from that loud noise, the rabbit immediately thought that this was the sound of the earth turning over. The rabbit was frightened by this and immediately got up and started running. He ran very fast without stopping. Seeing the rabbit running, the other rabbits in the forest asked why you were running. The rabbit says, "What are you asking? This is not the time to talk. The earth is turning from behind. That's why I'm running." Hearing that, the other rabbits also started running. Seeing the rabbits running like this, the deer asked the rabbits why they were running. "The earth is rolling. We are running to save our lives," rabbits answered while running. The deer got panicky after hearing this and started to run. The pigs saw the deer running, asked the reason for running and started to run after them. Buffaloes saw that pigs were running and started after the pigs after knowing the reason for their running. In this way, all the animals, including leopards, bears, elephants, horses, tigers, and lions, came to know the reason from each other and ran away in fear. Thus, close to where the animals were running, there was the lion, who was the king of the forest. The king lion wanted to know the matter, for which all the animals ran in panic. He came out from where he was and gave a loud lion roar. Hearing the roar of the Lion King, all the animals stopped in their tracks in fear. The lion approached the frightened animals and asked the lions about the reason to run. "The earth is rolling. That's why we ran," the lions said. "Who told you that the earth would turn over?" The king lion asked. "It was told to us by the tigers," the lions said. The king asked the tigers, "Who told you that the earth is rolling?" "The horses told us," the tigers said. The horses said, "We were told by the elephants." The elephants said, "We were told by the bears." "This was told us by the leopards," bears replied. When the rabbits were asked in this way, they said that we learned from this rabbit, and showed the rabbit, who started running first. The Lion King went to the rabbit and asked how you knew that the earth was rolling. "Sir, I saw it," the rabbit replied. "Where did you see it start?" the Lion King asked. "Sir, it started from where my den is located," the rabbit replied. "I live in a cave in the middle of a bunch of palm trees. While I was inside the cave today, I was suddenly woken up by a loud noise." The Lion King said nothing and went to the place where the rabbit explained. Arriving at the relevant place, the king asked the rabbit from where he saw the earth rolling. "My king, I'm afraid of going there." "You don't want to go? Show the place. I will go and see," the lion asked. "I was at the base of that tree. The earth started to turn over from there." The lion went to where the rabbit pointed, and he checked the area carefully. There was a big palm tree there. A little farther, there was a tall coconut tree. A coconut had fallen from it. The lion understood what had happened here. The rabbit, thinking about the earth rolling, has slept under the palm tree. A coconut had fallen on a palm leaf, and it made a loud noise. This horrified the rabbit, and he started to run without thinking further. All the other animals listened to the rabbit, and they also started to run without checking what was happening. They all believed the rabbit's words and followed him. The animals added later to this run also followed the majority. Because of the wisdom of the Lion King, the unwanted panic in the jungle was settled. When something happens, we also need to make decisions thinking well.